we heard the word foreigner in our mind, and it's a myth that they have big banana.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you think that way also?
Yeah. Yeah. Because I already know that because of my friend also.
Oh, really? So
Yeah.
what size
Because
do you think they got?
uh, it's big. It's really big.
What size?
I don't know. I will not tell the size.
Or rough
It's
estimation.
secret.
Rough estimation.
It's secret.
But it's big.
Yeah, but
So
it's big.
if you have a foreign boyfriend that got big banana, would it
Mm.
bother you?
Nothing bothered me. I will do my best to handle that.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't bother.
Yeah.
You will enjoy it.
Yes.
Okay. So if we hear of foreigners here in the Philippines, we always think foreigners they get big banana. They're always like that in our mind, right?
Yeah.
So do you think really they got a big banana?
Huh?
Do you think they got a big banana?
I think.
I think so. In it, what do you think is the size of their banana?
Large.
Large. Large size what?
I don't amal. Basta. Um, 12.
12?
Yeah.
12 inches.
12
Okay.
I think. Like,
So if
it depends if kanang, if, kaan, sana, chubby, ano ba
Chubby.
yun? Oh, like, nana.
it depends because they have sometimes they have huge, sometimes they have.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. So it won't bother you if they got a big banana. Then.
Huh?
If you have a foreign boyfriend, they got a big banana. Would it bother you?
No.
Why not?
Ano din?
Why not then? So you're ready for that. You're ready for the big banana.
Not so.
So if you heard a word foreigner, right? In as a Filipino in our mind, they got a big banana.
Ah.
Yeah, is that true? Okay. Do you think that way?
Mm,
You think that way?
yes.
Oh, okay. So, uh,
Like ice, an ISO.
okay. Um, what size do you think they got? Inches.
7
7. Do you think they got 7?
for
Okay.
me, for me.
Oh yes, of course. If your foreigner boyfriend got that size, would it bother you?
No.
No, not at all. So you're fine with that.
Yeah.
Okay. If we hear the word foreigners, right? In our minds, always like they got a big banana.
Huh?
If you hear the words foreigners, you always say foreigners get big banana or they got a big
Ah.
thing, right? As they always said.
Yeah.
Do you believe that?
I think yes.
Think yes. Yeah. So
Oh, sorry.
no, no, it's just in your opinion as what you heard.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Kay my family also, they love foreigners.
yeah, the foreigners. So they said they got the big thing.
Yes,
So
yes.
so what size do you think they got? Inches.
Think 7 or 8.
7 or 8 inches. So if you have a foreign boyfriend that got that size, would it bother you?
No.
No? So you're okay with that kind of size? Like, this is the questions because we always heard foreigners. Foreigners got a big banana.
Ah.
Do you think it's true?
I saw some videos, in
Yeah.
that website.
Hmm.
Not all, not all foreigners have a big banana.
Okay, so what do you think is the size, their normal size as a foreigner?
I don't know, maybe. I don't know the sizes. I don't know the
centimeters or what?
Inches.
Yeah.
Inches.
Maybe the normal one is how? 7? Maybe 7. I don't know.
7 inches. Okay. So if you with a foreigner and he got that size, would it bothers you?
What is that? No.
Huh? You're
Because,
okay with that.
yes, because there's still a foreplay.